Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and I'm looking at the April 2018 question and answer SAT booklet from April 2018, Math Non-Calculator number 20. Very consistently, they put these questions about circles and arc length. And so you have to know your information about circles and what arc length really is. So in this question, it says OA and OB are radiuses. Okay, so we know that this is a radius. We know this is a radius, which this tells me then this is the diameter of the circle. So this is actually half a circle. All right, arc AB, see that notation? Arc AB has length 3 pi. So this is the arc, and it has a length 3 pi. Now, arcs have length, and they also have rotational measure, so a degree measure. And so that means it's a piece of the whole circumference of the circle. And then they said the radius OA is 5, which makes this 5 as well. What's the value of x? Okay, so x is a central angle. And if you've watched my videos on circles, the central angle kind of tells me the proportional relationship for the whole circle, and the arc is a proportion of the whole circle as well. So think about it like this. If we know that the circumference of the whole circle is 2 pi r, and in this case, we know that the radius is 10, well then we know that the circumference is 10 pi. I mean, the radius is 5. We know the circumference then would be 10 pi. So I really just need to see what proportion 3 pi is of 10 pi. Now, I've talked a lot about in the circle videos that when we're looking at arc length, think of it as a proportion, a part to whole relationship, okay? Part to whole. And when I think part to whole with circles, I think central angle over 360 equals, so that's the part and that's the whole, 3 pi, the arc length, over the entire circumference, so 10 pi. All right, so I'm going to simplify this proportion to see if it helps. So the pi's reduce. So I know that now I have like x over 360 equals 3/10. All right, couple ways you could solve this. You could say 10 times what gives you 360? So 10 times 36. So you just have to do 36 times 3. Which is 108. And so x would be 108. Or you could cross multiply here as well. But since it's non-calculator, I kind of want to think about the easiest way to do it. So just remember that arc length is a proportional relationship with the circumference of the circle. And the circumference and arc length relate to the central angle of that circle, as well as the radius, okay? Hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.